Dear students, in this video, I'm going to talk about the acid rain. Acid rain is a result of air pollution. When any types of fuel is burnt, lots of different chemicals are produced. The smoke that comes from a fire or the fumes that comes out of a car exhaust don't just contain the sooty gray particles that you can see. They also contains lots of invisible gases that can be even more harmful to our environment. Power stations, factories and cars all burn fuels and therefore they all produce polluting gases. Some of these gases, especially nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxides, react with the tiny droplets of water in clouds to form sulfuric and nitric acids. The rain from these clouds then falls as very weak acid, which is why it is known as acid rain. Rain is always slightly acidic because it mixes with naturally occurring oxides in the air. Unpolluted rain would have a pH value of between 5 and 6. When the air becomes more polluted with nitrogen oxides and sulfur dioxide, the acidity can increases to a pH value of 4. Some rain has even been recorded as being pH 2. Now let us see what are the effects of acid rain on environment. It causes respiratory and skin disorders. It damages the leaves of plants, thereby affecting its productivity. It enters the soil and affects the soil pH. It has an adverse effect on marble, thereby damaging the buildings and monuments like Taj Mahal. Now let us see what are the solutions for this acid rain. There are several solutions to stopping man-made acid rain. Regulating the emissions coming from vehicles and buildings is an important step. This can be done by restricting the use of fossil fuels and focusing on more sustainable energy sources such as solar and wind power. Now finally, let's see how to restore the damage done by the acid rain. Lakes and rivers can have powdered limestone added to them to neutralize the water. This is called liming. Liming, however, is expensive and its effects are only temporary. It needs to be continued until the acid rain stops. Students, I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.